Apparently, Kim's personal assistant and allegedly BFF, Stephanie Shepard, happens to save the fat she has removed from her body during her typical liposuction procedures she has done yearly. According to a source, I'm not sure if this is credible, Kim freezes the fat from Stephanie's lipo and uses it as a filler for wrinkles on her face. Kadiri. Kaloka. And also for her bum. And then according to the article as well, Kim is a pro at trolling her bestie assistant. Kim posted a series of hilarious tweets wishing Shepard a happy birthday once by only posting gorgeous pictures of herself, of Kim, with Shepard somewhere